What's up guys, JJ here. We are gonna see the Adobe Photoshop tutorials part 3 in this video. So we are gonna see some image editing in this video. So let's dive into this video. So I'm gonna import an image that I downloaded from the internet. So we are gonna edit that. So first we can go to File, which is on the top left, and go to Place Embedded. Okay, let's go to Place Embedded. So there you can search for the image or something. So actually I do not prefer this method. So let's say we undid this and again go to File, which is on the top left, and go to Open, or the shortcut is Ctrl O, and then you can search for the image. So this will be better than that, because it opens in the exact dimension that we are gonna edit. So that's the best way to do it, instead of placing it inside a project. So we are gonna edit this image a little bit to make it good. So first we are gonna duplicate this image. So first we are gonna duplicate this image by using the lasso tool. So duplicate means just making another Spider-Man. So we have to select the lasso tool and let's do an outline. Just left click from anywhere and to start and make an outline. So now we are going to do some little bit rough, since it's not very important to do very precisely. So let's select the outer part of the image and do it. I thought maybe this image would be easy for duplicating. Yeah. Now we are done. So after this, let's double click on the log symbol and to unlock this layer, and just give OK. As I guys told you in the earlier videos, it just unlocks the layer, so we can do anything we want to. So now to duplicate it, we have to press Ctrl C or Command C if you are in Mac, and then again press Ctrl V. So first Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So as you can see in the layers tab, there are two layers in the layer tab. So by pressing the eye icon, we can hide the layer. By that we can find that there are two Spider-Man in the same area. Yeah. So as I guys told you earlier, these checkered part are transparent. So using the move tool, let's move the other Spider-Man out to duplicate the before one. So then press Ctrl T and then tilt it a little, or that's your wish according to your editing. So let's put minus 100% width so that it turns totally. Now using the move tool, let's move to the right place. This one looks nice. There are two Spider-Man now. So you can place this anywhere and then give OK, tick symbol. So now go to the effects and the blending options. So there are a lot of options in the layer style, as I told you in the earlier videos. So this is the outer glow. we too can increase and decrease the opacity, so to make it a little bit nice, but we are not going to do that. Just an outer glow. As you can see, that's a little tiny white area in the outline of the second Spider-Man. Yeah, as you can see in the layers tab, there are many effects in the layer style. So we are going to increase some spread, and not too much size, not good. Yeah, this is fine. There are many other options, as I told you in the earlier videos. You can check it out. Link will be in the description. Yeah, then let's give okay. Then the bevel and emboss, it makes a like a 3D effect, so I think we don't want that. Then the inner glow, which increases the glow from the inside. So these are the things I told you in the earlier video. You can see that. Yeah, this one looks good. So next we are gonna do some other edits. So first let's go to the edit layer option and go to new adjustment layer, and there are lots of options, editing works to do. So just we can give a name to that layer or give some color just to arrange it properly. Yeah, the adjustments is also in the right side of the above the layers tab, or we can see it in the layer and at the adjustment layer too. So let's first increase the brightness. Okay, I thought too much brightness would be nice, but -6 is good, and the contrast too, when we increase it's nice. So there are many options in the adjustment layer, so you can check it out, level, color layers, etc. So in the level we can just use some presets to the image. Yeah, this one looks good, I think so. So there are many options: curves, vibrance, saturation. I'm just telling the basic one to just start studying the Photoshop. So in the color lookup there are some default lookups, as like sunlight, moonlight, horror blue example. So the total image gets inspired by that color. I think this one looks nice. Then we have exposure. So that we have some options like gamma correction, offset exposure. So these are the things that you should see. We can't tell every single things in the Photoshop, so you should check it out. We will tell where it would be, or how it would be, but you should check it everything how it works. So maybe that helps in your Photoshop editing. I'm just trying to make this image look aesthetic. I think this is good. So we have made this image to a double Spider-Man image using the adjustment layer and the layer style tab. So these are some of the basics that you should know before you do any other projects in the Photoshop. So as you can see in the layers tab, there are many layers that we edited this image. So I hope you like this video. The previous parts are in the link in the description, and check it out, guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you.